Hello, doctors! We're excited to introduce ClinicRoom Medical Scribe, the most accurate and the most affordable scribe available for GPs in Australia. It's directly linked to ClinicRoom Education, which means you get the latest guidelines for patient care. Plus, it's integrated with your CPD program. There are two simple ways to find our scribe in the web. First, just search for ClinicRoom online. Click on the ClinicRoom Education platform, then press the button labeled Scribe, and you're in. Second, you can search for ClinicRoom Scribe or ClinicRoom AI on Google. This will take you directly to the Scribe platform. Both platforms, Education and Scribe, are linked. They use a single sign-on, so you only need one username and password for both. And yes, purchasing access to the Scribe automatically gives you access to the Education platform too. When you first register, you'll get 3 weeks of full access, absolutely free. That includes both the Scribe and all education notes. From there, you can either press on Scribe AI to be redirected, or go straight to the Scribe website and sign in directly. It's very simple. Once you're signed in, press Start Session. Then, when you're ready to begin the consult, tap Start Listening. At the end of the consult, press Stop Listening, and then hit Generate Scribe. The note will be ready in just a few seconds. Need to transfer it to Best Practice or Medical Director? Just copy and paste. To begin your next consult, simply click Start Next Session. All your consults are automatically saved with the date and time. You can also view your notes directly. Copy from the front page. And when you copy a note, a tick mark appears to help you track what's already done. Let's go ahead and delete the empty consult we just created. Here's a typical Scribe result. You can easily copy the content from here as well. Now I will tell you how to use this without an external mic attached to your computer. You can use one if it's connected to your computer, but a better and more accurate method is to use your phone as the mic. Here's how. Search for ClinicRoom Scribe in your App Store. Download the app. Open it and log in with the same username and password. It syncs automatically with the web version. From the app, you can press Start Consult on your phone, and the consult begins. When you're done, press Stop and then Generate Scribe. The note you just recorded will now appear on the web. Just refresh, and there it is. Copy and paste it as usual. Using your phone like this is especially helpful when you're in a treatment room, at a nursing home, or even while you're walking to bring the patient in. You have full control, right from your phone. We hope you enjoy using ClinicRoom Scribe. Remember, your first 3 weeks are completely free, with full access to the education platform as well. You can access it anytime, right here. Thank you.